Guys, today welcome to again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some websites. I'm going to show you like 10 websites where you can convert your text to speech and use it to create a cool video on your own without hiring anyone or without paying any website. So today I'm going to show you how to create a massive video, how to convert your text to speech. For example, you want to create a video on something and you have this, maybe you want to use it for advert. You can easily create it and use it for advert or use for any other thing that you want to use for. So today I'm going to show you how to create a video. For instance, let's use ChatGPT to create something. For instance, let me ask ChatGPT to do something for me. Let me say write out Nigeria national item, for instance anthem. So let's see the magic of text to speech. Now this ChatGPT is going to write out Nigeria national item for me. I don't have anything to write on my head now, but this just come on my head this morning. Now this Nigeria national item, for instance, want to convert it to video. How do we do it? You have to copy this word. I will copy this word. You can copy it to Word document. Let me say I copy it to Word document. If you are using your laptop, you can copy it to Word document. If you are using your phone, you can copy it to WhatsApp. But I suggest you use your laptop so that you can get it very well. You can still use your phone. Now this is our Nigerian national item. You can see what is going to happen here now. I want to convert this thing to text. I can convert it to text, and I will use a site called text to speech maker. The name of the site is ttsmaker.com. So I'm going to use it to convert it to audio. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to paste it here. Now this is our generation item. What I'm going to do now is, you can see you can change to different language. Let me search for another one. There's no Yoruba here. Let me search for Nigerian language. No, but we have English. So normally it's English that is here. Now you can change it. You can choose the voice that you want. Let me say I want mice. I want to use Alina. We use smile. Let me use smile. Now let's see what is going to happen here. Let's see. Now before you can get the voice, you can convert it to text. You need to click on this code to verify you are not a robot. Now, but before I go that, I will click on this setting. I want to apply some setting to my audio. I will increase the volume here. I will reduce the speed to like 0.85s. I will increase the volume to like 180. Now let's see the magic. Let's see what's going to happen here. You can try it many times as you want. You can generate many voice. So I will click on 3573 and then I will convert it to speech, and let's see the magic that is going to happen. The code failed. Let's see 253. Now let's see what will happen now. So we can see within a couple of seconds it's going to convert any of your text to speech for you, and it will be speaking as if it is human being like speaking. Let's dive into it. See now.
O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and might one nation bound in freedom, peace, and unity. Oh God.
So we can see it now. The robot is start saying our national item. Not like the way we sing it, but I'm just using the text to show you how to convert the text to speech for free without paying any website. This website, you can do it as long as you want. You are not paying for anything on this website for now. Another website, we have Reader Speaker. Let's go to readerspeaker.com. Let's go to Reader Speaker. So let's go to Reader Speaker and let's see how Reader Speaker also work. And so I'm going to show you some website that work that you can use here. So this is Reader Speaker. So let's see what is going to happen here. This place you need to sign in, you need to register here, but I'm not going to use this website. But it's part of it. You can go to the process and register. So I have some other websites that you can use. We have Natural Reader. Search for Natural Reader. Now this is it. You can see free text to speech online. So this is naturalreader.com, and let's see how Natural Reader work. Now you can see on natural reader you need to bring in your text. Like this is the one I used the other time. I have placed the text on it so I can play it now. I am going to see what is going to happen. Let me play my text and see how it will be reading it, see the magic, see how it works.
Are you in need of expert editing and proofreading for your AI and ChatGPT content?
So can you see it?
Look no further. With
cool.
a passion for language and years of experience, I am dedicated to delivering top-notch results in just 1 hour.
You can save it, you can
Why choose me?
You can register, convert it to
As
audio,
an experienced professional, I have a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of AI-generated.
Consider this on this tutorial is another one called Capwing. Let's search for Capwing. Capwing text to speech. Text to speech. Let's see. So this is another website which you can use to convert your text to speech. Let's dive into typing. Let's see. Try it for free. The first one I show, which is ttsmaker.com. That one is free. This one you need to sign in with your Gmail and try it for free. Now let's see. It's going to sign in with my Gmail account now so that I can use it out. You can use it. I think they have pricing, they have free plan, they have the other one plan, but I suggest you use the free plan for your work. And you have if you have another Gmail account, you can use it to do many of it. If you are using Capwing, but if you are using TST Maker, it's very free anytime, any day. Now this way we have signed in, it's loading. Let's just wait for some couple of minutes so that it will load out. Now this is it. So it will ask some questions. Let me just say personal project. What are you? I need to create user content faster. Like what is the kind of content you have to make? An image to give. So let me just let's say I'm creating for your class for instance. Now how do you hear about us? You can just put anything. Just put search engine. They're asking you if you have set your workspace icon, name of your workspace, and just you don't need it honestly, but just you see so you don't need all this. Just try it for free. Now what I'm going to do is now you just click on create new project. You click on create new project. Now you can see it now. Type anything. You can see they are using AI, which means you can use AI. Type anything here and you can see it now. So this is where you can work. Now type any topic here to create with AI. I will say create a voice to speech on how to promote business on TikTok. Let me use Instagram us. Let's click enter and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, now you can see it now. You can see this template. They are telling me to choose a template that I want. Now this one is typewriter, this one is classic lighter. Depending on the one you want, you choose the size. For instance, maybe you want to use for TikTok, you can easily choose this size for TikTok. Then I will choose let me choose typewriter for instance. Or you can choose any one that you want. I think I want, you choose seconds. Let me choose 15 seconds. Let me choose typewriter. Let's see. Now let's click on generate video and we are going to see the magic that is going to happen about this Capwing. Capwing is very special. I think Capwing work like a TikTok, and as it's generating the video, it's also going to generate the voice over for you. It's going to generate the voice over, so we can see the magic here. We have generated video within a couple of minutes and we can play it out. So let's dive into it. Let's play it out and see the magic of this Capwing. Oh well, let's play it out. Let's play it now. Let's go into it. Let's play it now, friend. Let's play it now. See it now. See, you can see it now. You can see it now.
This is good shit.
So we can see it. Now. Now this is how we generate a cool video within a minute without even stretching ourselves. We just type and here I brought out the video for us for free. Now what we're going to do, we need audio for this thing. We need a voiceover. Let's check the Let's check. So you can change the pictures. You can change the pictures of this place. So when you generate a text to voice here, you bring it from here. When you generate a voice record here, you bring it here. So they can use it to create an amazing video. You can add your own image. You can add image from Google. You connect your Google account and add image on this screen. You can use to create a video. You can see the name of the author will be showing the name of the you can change the text here. You can edit the text to your own. You can see it now. You can edit the text. See it there. You just zoom it out. Zoom this to fit the screen. Zoom it out. You can edit it. You can see now. You can add the pictures. You can do many things there, and you just crop it out. Depending on what you want to do, just click crop. So you can see what is happening here. So you can do many edits here and download your video. Another one I'm going to show you here that will help you to convert your text to speech, also make a cool video. We have flex clip. Let me check flex clip and show us how it works. This is flex clip. Now this is flex clip. This is flex clip. Let me click on it. Test. So you can see it now on this place. You can make a cool video. You can make a cool design. You can make, when you convert your text to video, you can make a cool video and edit it here. You can convert. You can have your audio. You can see it now. You can do a cool video. You don't know how to do video. You can come here when after you convert your text to speech with TXT Maker. You can come here and make a cool video with flexi.com. Another website I'm going to show you on this tutorial is another website I'm going to show you is flexia.com. So this is another website which you can use to create a video. You can edit your YouTube video here, add subtitle. You don't have to edit video. When you just create a video, you just say ChatGPT, write a YouTube, write 10 website I can buy iPhone in Nigeria, and write YouTube description for it. For instance, let's see what ChatGPT will use. So this ChatGPT will help us to generate our idea. We have Thinker, and this ChatGPT will help us to generate what we want. Now it lists Jumia, it lists Konga and everything. So all these tests like this, you are going to copy them and take them to txtmaker.com, and TXT Maker is going to convert it to speech. It's going to convert it to speech for you. If you have done a speech before, you can refresh it and retry it and do it. You can put your text here and change to the voice that you want. Just set it. You guys set it on the first page. Now we have it. Once we have it, we can easily come back to this website, this Flexia. You can come to Flexia. Once you have your text here, once you download it here, you can come to Flexia. So this is Flexia here. So this is Flexia. You just need to sign in. Is for free, and you use your free package to create a cool video. So you can see it now. You can create amazing video with this video editor. Now another website which you can use is CapCut. I love CapCut. I use CapCut to create many videos for my TikTok account, for my YouTube. I use it very well. CapCut is mad and it's very cool. I can create my YouTube video. I can create my advert video with CapCut. I can do many things with CapCut. So this is the last video editor I'm showing you today. You can download CapCut on more Play Store. You can download it to your PC and install it for free and start using it. If you want to know about how to create cool video with CapCut, make sure you drop it in the comment section that I should create a cool video with CapCut. on my PC, and I will show you how to create it on your PC. If you have a computer, I will show you how to use CapCut, how to add animation, how to generate caption on my next tutorial. Make sure you comment and share this video as you are watching it. This will give me joy, and this will make this tutorial to go viral for other people that may need it. Watch it, subscribe, so you can download CapCut for your computer, Windows operating system, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. You can download it for your mobile app. Make sure you download it so you can download it and enjoy the magic. So I have it on my system already. This is CapCut here. This is CapCut here. It will take time to load, but I use it for my TikTok video and my YouTube shorts. So you can use it to create a cool video. Alright guys, try it out. This one I'm gonna show you today. I know you love it. I know you love to watch it. Make sure you are subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure you forward this video to your loved one that want to create a video, that want to convert text to speech. You can make money by converting text to speech. Let me show you a website where you can generate cool money on by converting the text to speech. Yeah, this is Fiverr. This is Fiverr. When I search for text to speech, I search for, let me off this thing. You know, understand this thing. Let me off it and see what is going to happen. Now this website is going to reload. It is Fiverr. This is a cool freelancer website that is funded by a founder in Israel, and this is it. They only have 4,252 people that are working on this particular text to speech on Fiverr. Now if you join them now, you can easily make a chance of getting a job online and you get paid. You can see this person working for $5 speech to text, real human audio and text with loud sound. We see it now, and this person now is a TST voice, so which means this one is using TST voice, which means you too, you can use this one. This is TST voice. You can use it to generate your income. Now let's see it now. Let's see this man. Let's see how many jobs he has done on this Fiverr account, and let's see the magic. Let's see. So this person has done 631 orders on this work by converting text to speech or real human audio voice. Now let's see. You can see how you convert 6,000 words to speech. You can see it now with real human voice. How we convert 4,000 words to speech. So we can see it now. You can see the premium 1K word to speech. So you can see the magic, and this man is going viral on Fiverr account. So Fiverr will pay you once you are working. This one is $40, this one is $5, this one is $10. You want to know how to create a Fiverr account? It is very simple. You can use your Gmail account. You can see this is my Fiverr account. I'm showing you that this thing is working. I'm showing you that this thing is real. So let me create on my profile so you to see. Now this is my profile account on Fiverr. My last delivery was last month. And what did I do here? I do many things there. I remove background for image. I create, I work, I edit text, I do proofreading, I create chatbot, I create website. So there are many things you need to set up on Fiverr account. You set up your skills, you set up your business, your gig, and every other thing. There are many tutorials on how to create a Fiverr gig, but I'm still going to drop some on my tutorial on my channel, on my YouTube channel. As time goes on, make sure you subscribe to get updated. And if you want to join my Nigeria Fiverr community on WhatsApp and even on Fiverr forum, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop "I want to join" on the comment section, so I will take you to Fiverr community. I will take you to Fiverr group where you can be getting more ideas on how to get work on Fiverr. Alright, thank you. I just show you some hints on this thing as a bonus for you for watching this video for the first time. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe and follow this video, because you are going to be getting many tips. You can see I got order from Pakistan. So I'm in Nigeria and I get order from Pakistan. So you can get work from any other country if you are using this Fiverr account. I assure you the payout. You use your Pioneer to sign in. If you are in Nigeria, make sure you have a Pioneer account before using it. So this is another place to get a work when you are converting text to speech, and you can use it to promote your TikTok video, your business video. You can use it to promote your business on Instagram. You can use it to create ad. You can use it to create a video for your advert. So alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Adebayo again. Thank you for subscribing to Gifted Computer Technology. Alright, see you again. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.